Why shoulder pain happens when you reach up, and the simple fix most people miss. If you feel pain right here on the top of your shoulder or here in the front, especially when lifting your arm overhead, it's usually not because your shoulder is weak. It's because your shoulder has forgotten how to move properly. Today, I'll explain the one missing movement that causes most shoulder pain and show you 3 simple exercises that restore it. When I fixed this issue myself, years of shoulder pain faded in just days.
The hidden cause of most shoulder pain. Almost all shoulder problems share one common issue: poor shoulder blade movement. Every time you raise your arm, your shoulder blade should gently rotate upward. This creates space inside the joint and allows smooth motion. But when the shoulder blade stays stuck, the arm bone presses into soft tissues. That leads to pinching sensations, inflammation, tendon irritation, rotator cuff pain. This is why many people do rotator cuff exercises and still feel pain. They strengthen the shoulder, but never restore the missing shoulder blade motion. Let's fix that.
Exercise 1. Supported shoulder push. This exercise retrains your shoulder blade to move the way it should. You'll need a sturdy desk, counter, or railing. Shoes that won't slip. Stand facing the surface and lean forward with straight arms, as if you're doing a wall push-up. Now, without bending your elbows, push your chest slightly away from the surface. Then relax back down. Nothing should move except your shoulders. Practice this a few times until it feels natural.
Progression for strength. To make this more effective, change your stance. Step 1 foot farther back so your body is angled more forward. Now push again, feeling your shoulders glide upward and forward. Hold that push for 5 seconds, then slowly relax. Keep your elbows locked straight the entire time. Avoid shrugging your shoulders towards your ears. The more forward your body angle, the harder this becomes. Repeat until you feel gentle fatigue along the outer edge of your shoulder blades. Do this 3 times per week.
Exercise 2. Arm lowers for shoulder blade control. There's another key muscle that helps rotate the shoulder blade upward and also improves posture. Lie on your back with knees bent, arms straight up toward the ceiling, thumbs pointing backward. Keeping your elbows straight, slowly lower your arms toward the floor. Only go as far as feels comfortable. Pause briefly, then return to the starting position. As you lower your arms, tighten your stomach muscles, avoid arching your lower back, keep your shoulders relaxed. You should feel effort just below your shoulder blades. Repeat until the muscles feel tired.
If lying down isn't comfortable, you can do this standing against a wall. Place your feet about 30 centimeters from the wall with your hips, upper back, and head touching it. Lower your arms the same way. If this causes pain, skip it for now and focus on the other exercises. Try again in a few weeks.
Exercise 3. Smarter rotator cuff strengthening. The rotator cuff still matters. It keeps the arm bone centered in the joint. But how you train it makes a big difference. Research shows that side-lying rotation is one of the most effective ways. Lie on your side with the sore shoulder on top. Place a small rolled towel between your elbow and your side. Hold a light weight, about 1 to 2 kilograms, or even a bottle of water. Slowly rotate your forearm upward, then slowly lower it back down. Key adjustment. As you move, gently pull your shoulder down and back. This engages the shoulder blade muscles and makes the exercise far more effective. Keep your elbow pressed into the towel. Move slowly. Use the largest comfortable range of motion. Repeat until you feel fatigue in the back of the shoulder.
Do this 3 times per week. One final note on posture. Rounded posture pushes the shoulder blades forward and steals space from the shoulder joint. Over time, this alone can cause pain, even without injury. Improving posture takes pressure off the shoulders and protects the progress you make with these exercises.
Most shoulder pain isn't caused by damage. It's caused by forgotten movement. Restore how your shoulder blade moves, and pain often fades naturally. Start gently, be consistent, and let your shoulders move the way they were designed to.